Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've been on here, like 6 months at least, since like July. So I have been posted in a really long time and I've been doing a lot of things, like a lot of different things have happened in my life. I have tried to film this video twice. I filmed it once a couple months ago, I think in like the beginning of December, maybe November, and I don't know. I never got around to editing or posting it. I think I may have started editing it, but I just didn't love it. Filmed it again yesterday, didn't love it again, didn't love my energy level in it yesterday, so I'm trying again. Hopefully this is it and I can post it and try to be back a little bit more than I have been, because I haven't posted in 6 months. A lot has happened. So I haven't posted since July-ish. So I'm just gonna go through from then until now with what I've been doing. So actually, I'm going to do step-by-step what happened and then do an overall what I've been doing kind of thing. So in July-ish, June, July, even in the spring kind of, I was trying to decide if I was going to go back to college. I have my bachelor's right now and I kind of work in my field, but it's not like enough for me in a sense. So I've been like debating going back. And when I first got out of college, I did go back, or no, I did apply and I didn't get into any of the schools that I applied to, which is fine, you know, it happens. Grad school is really competitive. So I started working at the school for kids with autism to try to kind of help boost my resume so I could get into college eventually, like grad school. So I applied over the summer and I got in to both of the schools that I applied to, and I picked one and I really enjoy it. So fast forward to August, I started going. All of my classes are online. They're not, like, I don't have anything in person. I don't have any like time requirements in a sense, sort of. So it's not like, oh, we have a meeting, like an online virtual meeting on Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 7 p.m. Like it just, or like 3 p.m., whatever. It's not like that. Like I do all of the work myself and I can reach out if I need help. And like my professors my professors and my PIs, which is practitioner instructor, have office hours once a week that you can attend, but it's not required. And it's not going to be like anything that like I could be tested on or what have you. It's just like extra to kind of help you out, or if you have questions and whatnot, or they might like elaborate on something that they think is like tricky for kids to get, or students, I should say. I'm like one of the youngest in my cohort. But it's nice. It's small. There's not a lot of us. We're all together always. So like, I will be with the same kids in every single class that I have from now until the time I graduate. For the most part, unless somebody like takes this break or something. So the way my classes work is, like I said, I don't have any like requirements. So I don't have to be there at, like, I don't have to take time off work at 11 p.m. every Tuesday and Thursday to attend class. Like, I just don't. I do everything like on my own. I find out in the very beginning of the class what is due when and what materials are assigned when, and I just get them done throughout the week as I have time. So it's really nice. I really enjoy it. And I will say that it's a little different because I don't have multiple classes at a time. I only have one class at a time, but they're only for 7 weeks and it goes year round. So I have 7 weeks of class, 7 weeks of class, 7 weeks of class, like back to back to back. Like for the rest of my grad school career. So that's kind of how that goes. And yeah, I really like it because I'm like, yes, it's more work for the class at a time, but you only have one class to worry about. So in my mind, it's kind of less work. And like most of my stuff is due on Thursdays and Sundays. So our weeks run the whole 7 days. And yeah, so I can like space it out during the week and kind of just do work when I can, which is nice. Yeah, so I went back to school. I'm excited to get my master's. and I can't believe the semester's actually over already. I start my next semester tomorrow. I've enjoyed it though. And then what else? So that was August. Dalton and I also went to Ohio together. We did a lot of traveling in the fall actually. So we went to Ohio and we went to, okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. So Dalton and I were supposed to have a video go up of him doing my makeup. We filmed the video, I was editing it and whatnot, but he just wasn't comfortable with it. Like, he's not comfortable in front of the camera. He felt like uncomfortable about how he was acting and whatnot. So it has never been posted. I edited most of it and like showed him some of it and he just wasn't comfortable with it. So that's never been posted. I don't know if it ever will be posted. He will probably be on my channel eventually, but as of right now, he is not. Yeah, so that's that. And then September rolled around and I quit Sephora. There were a lot of factors into that, a lot of them, and it was just time. I have been working there for 5 years last August, and like, so I was starting my 6th year there, and it was just, it wasn't worth it anymore for me. There was too much, like, I was stressing more about working than I should have been for that kind of job. And I don't know that I'll ever like tell like why I quit Sephora kind of thing, because I don't like to bash in a sense. Like, I just don't think that that's appropriate. So I don't know if I ever will like explain everything that went down, but it's fine. It is what it is. I'm gone. So yeah, there won't be any more grads videos. I have one that I filmed that I haven't edited from like a while, obviously a while ago. So I don't know if I'll ever post that one, but yeah, I don't know. So what else? I quit Sephora and then immediately Dalton and I went on a trip to New England, which is where I'm from. I'm from New England. Dalton's from Tennessee. So we went to New England and he met a lot of my family and whatnot. Did a lot of stuff, whatnot up there. That was a lot of fun. And then what else? We went to Tennessee some more. We went to South Carolina and visited his friends that live there. We just did a lot of traveling. South Carolina is actually in October. And then, so yeah, fast forwarding through, I'm still working at the school for autism. I'm going to school, living my best life. I see Dalton on the weekends. October comes around and Dalton finds out that he is being sent off. So not deployed in a sense, but kind of deployed. Like, he's not going overseas. He's staying in the US, but he's going somewhere else away from where he normally is and like doing work there. So Dalton and I don't live near each other. He lives 4 hours away from me, so I only see him on the weekends. Like, I talk to him every day and we FaceTime and whatnot, but I only see him on the weekends. And so that he was being sent away for like 3 months, which is a while. I know it's not nearly as long as a lot of like deployments and stuff are, but it's still a long time. And so that was really sad and like stressful because he was going to be gone for his birthday, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. So it was really like sad and just like stressful in a sense. Yeah, we were really like not frantic, but kind of like sad about that because he was going to be gone for like a lot of important holidays and like his birthday one. Like, I took off for his birthday and then I get Thanksgiving off and I get 2 weeks off around Christmas and New Year's. So it was like I have all this time off and I'm just going to be by myself. So it was sad, but powered through, you know. And then so we were like trying to get some trips in before he left and whatnot. So we went to Tennessee again and we like, he wanted to see his mom one more time before he left because he wouldn't get to see her for the holidays. I can't stop yawning. So we went up there and we went to the mountain that we like first started dating on, and he proposed. So I'm getting married. It's super exciting. I cannot wait. Dalton can't wait. He's pretty excited too. Yeah, it's just so exciting. Things have just been super like easy with Dalton in a sense. Like, I don't like, he doesn't make me feel stressed out like a lot of other people have, and I don't have to worry about a lot of things with him, and we have a lot of the same interests. And he's really like a doer. Like we go on a lot of trips together and we like do a lot of things and whatnot, and like he doesn't like want to just sit around, which I really like, because if I sit around, it's not good for me. So yeah, last thing going on, I've been planning a wedding. So that was in October, and yeah, I love my ring. It's like an opal and it's surrounded and it's rose gold. It's really pretty. I like it a lot. So we've been planning a wedding, and then so after our trip there, we came back home, and then Dalton left for his trip, and then I went through his birthday and Thanksgiving, and then he found out that he was coming home early, so like they finished their main project that they were doing where he went. I'm not going to say where it is because that's, no. So he finished his main project where he went, and then he got to come back early before Christmas, so that was awesome. I got to see him again, and we got to spend Christmas and New Year's together, and yeah, so it's been like crazy. And what else? I have been prepping for the wedding, and it's going to be in March. So like the way my job works is I have to pick my vacation time last year for this year. So like in like October of last year, even like before Dawn proposed, I had to pick my vacation for this year. And so I picked okay, so they give you like a list of weeks, and it's almost every week in the year, like, and they're blocked into 4 sections, and you have to pick 4 weeks from each section, and you rank them 1 through 16 of your preferred dates, so that and then they assign one of those to you. And so the one that I got assigned is in March, and so that's what my vacation time is, so that's what our wedding's gonna be, because like obviously I'm gonna have to go move and to where Dalton is, because he can't move here, like he's still a Marine. So we will be living there, and I'm gonna have to move there. So it just worked out because like the way their housing works, you have to apply for it and like get approved and assigned. So it's not like we will be getting married and then like I'll be living with him. Like it's a process. Like I have to wait. So we decided to do the wedding during my vacation. That way we would have that week for our honeymoon, and then I would just stay here and finish and like keep working while we're waiting on housing, because I didn't want to be like jobless for however long it takes. So yeah, and I applied for a new job at my work doing something similar to what I used to do when I worked at the grocery store, so that's really exciting. I have the experience and the skills, so I really hope I get it. I've only missed 1 day of my work since I started there, and it was after a procedure I had done. Like I thought I would be okay to go back the next day, and I just wasn't, so I had to call out. But that's the only day, and that was a year ago that I called out. So I'm pretty consistent with my job, and I like, trust me, I get the having like work-life balance and like living your life outside of work as your priority over your work, because your job can replace you so quickly. But at the same time, like I still value my work, and like I still know the importance of being there for my kids and like having that consistency for them. So like I don't call out for my job, and I get some people like have to, but it's just not me. So like and in this job that I'm applying for, like I can't call out. Like it's just not feasible for me to call out all the time. Like too many people or like too many things depend on it. So I think I would be good for the job, and I hope that I get it, but we'll see. And I also just leveled up in my current position, so that's really cool. I had to sit for the exam actually on Friday, and I passed, so that's awesome. What else? Oh, gosh, I'm yawning. Yeah, so I don't know what kind of videos I'll be posting now, because I'm not really buying a lot of makeup. Because like I'm so busy with other things like school and work and everything. It's just a lot, and wedding planning is a lot. Like you don't realize the things that you need to buy for a wedding until someone says it to you, and you're like, I have to buy that too. Like plates and like cutlery, like forks and spoons and stuff. I like did not think about that at all. Like I'm like, okay, yeah, I need a dress, and I need flowers, and I need like some kind of music and like food and whatnot, and like bridesmaids and groomsmen and stuff like that, and like chairs and stuff. But like I've bought like fire pits because it's going to be March and it's going to be chilly, so I want people to be warm because it's outside. So we have 4 fire pits that people can be around, and like it's just a lot. Like tablecloths, I don't think about tablecloths. It's just crazy things that you don't think about. But I do have my wedding dress already, so that's really awesome. And I already have my shoes. I'm about to go pick them up actually. The fire pits, I have most of my centerpieces done. I need a couple more things for that. My sister is Danielle. She's been on my channel before. She's my maid of honor. Like, I only have 1 bridesmaid and Dalton only has 1 groomsman. And so we already have her dress. Rocking and rolling. Invitations are sent. Yeah, it's a lot. So, I don't know. There's still a lot to do, but a lot is done as well. Okay. Yeah, what else? I don't know where my channel's going. I am probably gonna film a lot of like wedding makeup, like trial run type of things, because like multiple days a week I'm trying to like practice my wedding makeup and like try different things. Like today I filmed this look, and like I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do, what products I want to use, how I want it to look and stuff like that before the wedding, because I'm gonna be doing my own makeup, and just kind of go from there. So yeah. Okay, it looks so dreary out, but it's only 1:30, but it's so like gloomy and dreary out. It looks like it's like 5:30. Yeah, so I will keep you guys posted kind of. I'm hoping to post more often, but we will see. Yeah, lots of changes in my life. I'm gonna be moving, I'm gonna have to get a new job. All the babies, my dogs are gonna have to come with me. It's just gonna be a lot. So school, everything, it's just a lot. I'm grateful that I'm in school where it doesn't matter where I live, thankfully, so I'm able to move, which is awesome. But yeah. Alright. Oh, I told you I was going to show you stuff that I've like been just doing in general. So I've been trying to do better about cooking. So like when Dalton's not here, I don't cook. Like I don't like cooking for myself. I like cooking for other people. So I'm more apt to like have cereal than like actually cook for myself. So I'm trying to do better about like cooking things for me, even if it's like cooking one thing at the beginning of the week and eating it all week, or like trying new things. So I recently tried making miso soup and egg drop soup. So I went to the Asian store that's nearby. It's not my favorite Asian store. I like the one that's in the next city over, but I didn't want to make the trip all the way out there to go to that one. And got the supplies that I needed for the miso soup, and I also made egg drop soup. The egg drop soup wasn't as good as I wanted it to be, but it's fine. Yeah, I watched The Big Bang Theory. I usually only watch Friends, but when Dalton left for his trip, I was like, I'm gonna try a different show. So I watched The Big Bang Theory, and I want to try I want to watch House again all the way through because I don't think I ever finished it. I want to watch Grey's Anatomy. And there was another one. I don't remember. Dalton and I are going to watch You because I've been reading the books. That's another thing I've been doing is I've been reading a lot and listening to audiobooks a lot. I think I've gone through a lot, so that's nice. Yeah. So, I don't know. But that being said, maybe I'll do a video on books that I like and like authors and stuff. That'd be fun. Let me know what other kinds of videos you guys want to see. But yeah, so that being said, that's where I've been. That's what I've been doing. That's everything that's been going on with me and my life. So thanks you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, check out my Instagram. It's at Make It My Smile. I'm going to try to do better. I'm going to try. I make no promises, but I'm going to try. Alright, I will see you guys next time. Bye!